Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at the most common mistakes affiliate marketers are doing in 2021 and onwards. We are going to lay it out into the top 5 mistakes especially beginners are doing, so stay until the end to see all 5 of them. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what is the number 1 mistake? What is the first mistake people are doing in affiliate marketing? Now, the first mistake is actually choosing the wrong product. Alright, so let me just put it over here. Wrong product. Now, what do I mean by choosing the wrong product? Well, many people will go out there and choose a product based on the fact that it is a high selling product or a high selling offer, alright? Especially beginners tend to make this mistake when you go on these affiliate marketing networks such as ClickBank or Warrior Plus or JVZoo. You can see the actual score or stat, how good selling the product is, or high selling or low selling product it is, right? On ClickBank you have this gravity score which tells you how high or low selling the product is. However, the problem with this is that this score is a little bit of misleading because it doesn't really tell you how good the product is. It just shows you how many people are actually promoting the product, but it doesn't really tell you whether they make one sale or hundreds of sales, right? And it doesn't really tell you even whether these people are profitable or they are in loss with the product. Okay, so don't pay too much attention to that score, okay? And choose the product rather based on your interest, based on something that you resonate with, that you are interested in the product, and something that you feel comfortable getting involved in. Alright guys, now, so that's number 1. Let's go into the second mistake, and that is not knowing the product that you promote. Alright, so not knowing the product, yeah. So what do I mean by that? Excuse my handwriting, hope you can see, you can read it. So what do I mean by not knowing the product? It means that you gotta be kind of like the customer of the product. Okay, now I know it's not necessary, it's not a must in many cases, okay, especially on these affiliate networks that I mentioned, ClickBank, JVZoo, and all of these Warrior Plus. You can choose a product without actually being the customer of it, alright? However, when you are starting out and you're choosing especially your main product, your first product, your main product, you want to know the ins and outs of the product. You want to know what is the main thing about the product, what are the, what is missing from the product, what is the biggest catch or biggest advantage of the product. You want to know all of this stuff because that's gonna give you clarity in your messaging. It's gonna give you the clarity in promoting, and your message is going to be way much clearer than anything else. Right now, there is nothing wrong about choosing kind of like your second, third, or fourth additional product without being the customer of it. That's completely fine, even though I would still suggest you to go through it, alright? But especially for your first product, you should really be customer of it. And I give you an example from my own experience, okay? The product that I am promoting at the moment, right? I am a customer of it, I went through it, I still work with it, and I completely love the product. However, when I started promoting it, I haven't yet finished the whole course, okay? But I wanted to start promoting it straight away, so I went ahead, and then when I finished the course, I realized that it completely changed everything that I thought about the product. So it changed my messaging, and my message got really clearer than before, okay, and therefore I was way more comfortable in promoting the product, and I knew exactly what is this product about and who is this product for. Right? So that's what I encourage you to do. Choose the product that you want, okay, based on the good product, and go ahead, go through the product, learn from it something, and implement it. Okay, now let's go move on into our third mistake, which is not using a video in your marketing. So no video. Now, why is it so important? If you're not using a video in your marketing business, whatever you're doing, then you're missing out on a big time. Video is the number one marketing of today, okay? Everything is based around video. When you go on social media, that's what you watch, that's what you spend the most time on, videos. When you are, using your free time, you're probably watching some Netflix or some movies, again, videos, all right? Now, I have a complete detailed video about importance of video marketing, okay? So if you want, go ahead and check it out over here. So I'm not gonna go into too much detail over here. However, I just wanna point out that it's really important to use video because it's gonna scale up your conversions big time. Now, there are many ways how to implement the video. You can do a face-to-face video just like this one. However, I know many people are scared of it, so there are other types of it, like animated video. You can do a voiceover through screen recording and so on. However, I highly recommend doing face-to-face video anyway. All right, so that's number 3. What is number 4? Number 4 is jumping through traffic source to traffic source. Okay, so let me just put it over here like traffic. All right, that's a C. So what does it mean, jumping from traffic to traffic source? When you are starting out, you might be a little bit overwhelmed with the options about traffic sources, right? There is Facebook, there is Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Google. You can do blogs, you can do forums, Quora, Pinterest. All of these things are out there for you to use. So you might get a little bit frustrated, but the problem is that many people either jump from one to another very quickly, or they start with loads of them, okay? And that's where the problem begins. That's when the problem begins, because you get frustrated from it, okay? You get overwhelmed, you get confused, you don't see any results, and then you are more inclined to quit. So my suggestion to you is choose 1 or 2 traffic sources, okay? Whichever you want, you can do good with any of them. Stick with them, master it, learn it properly, see the results for yourself, and then move on and add another one, okay? Don't start with all of them, you will get confused and overwhelmed. All right, so that's number 4, and our 5th and last mistake is to think short term. All right, many people forget it is important to think long term. So short term. All right, now what do I mean by this? It means you need to think about affiliate marketing as in the long-term vision. All right, you need to forget all of those BS about affiliate marketing being some kind of a get-rich-quick scheme. It doesn't work like that. Okay, it's nothing about it. Affiliate marketing is a business just like anything else, which means it will require some time, effort, getting out of your comfort zone. It will require doing something you haven't thought you will do, learning some new skills and all of that stuff, which all requires some time. Okay, so all of those headlines, get rich in two months or 2 weeks or whatever it is, with affiliate marketing, it doesn't work like that, unfortunately. Okay, so if you came to this video to find out about that, that's my response to you. It doesn't work like that. Okay, it all requires some time, but the good thing is that it is highly profitable business. Okay, and it really has the potential to change your life completely. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get some aha moments that okay, this makes a lot of sense. This is something I would like to get involved in. Okay, now I see that I may make a lot of mistakes. If so, give me thumbs up. All right, let me know in the comment section below actually which mistakes are you doing, all right, and which are you going to actually change now, okay, and implement some good ones. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's video. And listen, guys, if you are interested in a step-by-step guide on how to build your affiliate marketing business from A to Z, a blueprint, okay, how to build a business that brings in consistent sales and profits, go ahead and grab my 4-day video series in the description below. It's completely free, you get full access to it, and you will learn exactly a blueprint on how to build affiliate marketing business from scratch. Alright guys, so if you opt in, I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine, I will see you in the next videos. Thank you again and have a great rest of the day. Bye guys.